In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve some Excel options are inactive, grayed out. So to resolve this problem, we need to change one setting in Excel. As we can see here in the insert, some options are inactive and grayed out. Once you click on it, it will not reactive. Similarly, in the page, in the formula, so to resolve this problem, click on File, then More and Options. Now Advanced, scroll down and you will see the setting here, display options for this workbook. So just you have to select this all, then click on OK. Now exit and reopen your Excel. So we can see now all options are active. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can try to resolve this problem and make sure if you have the active license for Excel, so that in this case this method will work, and if you have not license for Microsoft Office, so this method will not help for you.